Hey guys, Mr. B here again, bringing you another awesome math video. In this video, we're going to take you through, or I'm going to take you through an example of using the common denominator to be able to solve a limit. So I'm going to go ahead now and find the common denominator for this guy. Well, I'm going to go ahead and factor it first, and then find a common denominator, see if I can evaluate this guy. So I'll go ahead and take the limit as x goes to -2. So I'm going to factor out a 10 out of this. So I'm left with 10x plus 2. And then on this guy, I'm going to take out a x squared plus 2, just like that. Or sorry, no, an x, and then I'm left with x plus 2. So now I got a little bit of cancellation here. I can sort of get that to simplify a little bit. So it becomes what? 1 over 2 times x plus 2 plus 1 over 2 x plus 2. So now, that's an x, right? Now what I want to do is go ahead and try and find a common denominator. So this guy's an x, even though it doesn't look like it. This guy's a 2, so this guy needs a 2, this guy needs an x. So I'm going to multiply this one by x, going to multiply this one by 2. So the limit as x goes to -2, so I multiply x over x, 2 over 2. So I get x on this one, all over 2x, x plus 2, and then plus 2, all over 2x, x plus 2. So then I'm going to combine them. So the limit as x goes to -2, x plus 2 all over 2x, x plus 2. So again, we get lucky. Something cancels. I wouldn't say lucky, but I did say lucky. So something cancels right there. So now I'm left with limit as x goes to -2, 1 over 2 times -2. And then essentially what I get here is excuse me, 1 over -4. So I shouldn't have wrote that limit. I subbed it in. I should have really had this step in there. And then you go here. Excuse me. So yeah, there it is, guys. Another finding the common denominator example. So I mean, they're all really similar. You have to sometimes you have the factor, you have to find a common denominator. I went through that one a little quick. I'm going to try another one. Let me get my paper ready. There we go. Let me see what's next on the agenda. Alright, so let's look at this guy. See, I got my computer out here. I'm just looking at an example. Whoa. Don't you just love MacBooks? Not really. Alright, so the limit as x goes to -2. And I'm here, guys, in the month of April, and we have a crap load of snow, and it is absolutely pouring out there right now. So I am going to be up all night, worried about the water. Adult problems when you're still really a kid. All right, so first thing you have to recognize here is if you look at this guy, there's a -1 there, and there's a -1. So sometimes you might see this. All that means is these are essentially reciprocal. So they have to go to the bottoms, reciprocals. So 1 plus x plus 6 all over x plus 2. So the important thing to recognize, only the bracket with the exponent on it goes to the bottom. And then I have plus 32 all over x squared minus 4x minus 12. Alright, so here's the plan. We need to factor and find a common denominator. So I'm going to factor this guy first. Sorry for all the caffeine, but I'm in my basement and it's dry down here. Alright, so it adds goes -4, multiplies to give us 12. So 6 and -6 and positive 2. So x plus 2, x minus 6. So now I need to think about a common denominator once I have that factored. So the common denominator for this guy's missing an x minus 6. If we have an x minus 6 here, we're in business. So what we're going to do is we'll multiply this by x minus 6, multiply this guy by x minus 6. So I have the limit as x goes to negative 2. So I'll just factor this. This is different squares actually. So it's x squared minus 36. So it's just the reason why I can do that real quick is just this is, since they're conjugates basically, first and last. My favorite math thing to do. And then plus my 32 over here, all divided by my x plus 2, x minus 6. So now I'll simplify the top here again. And 36 minus, or negative 36 plus 32 is x squared minus 4. X plus 2, x minus 6. I'm going to factor this top part right here. X minus negative 2, x minus 2, x plus 2, all over x plus 2, x minus 6. There we go. We're going to cancel. So cancel both of those guys. And again, it should make sense. That's the negative 2, so we're looking for x plus 2. Then I have x minus 2 all over x minus 6 left. So it's just a matter of subbing in those numbers. Negative 2 minus 2 all over negative 2 minus 6. Negative 4 over negative 8. So we get 1/2. And there it is, guys. Another successful limit, another common denominator limit. So again, you get in a calculus test situation, you got to be thinking, I got to cancel something in a limit. Therefore, I want to use conjugate, factoring, common denominator, or sometimes a combination of those things. Alright guys, I hope this video helps some of you guys out there. Thank you for watching. I appreciate the support. See you guys in class.